Hello viewers. Few years ago, update from Apple was very stable, but nowadays Apple updates or iOS updates are not so stable. These updates are full of bugs, and after that they push bug fixes through OTA update in the form of 17.2.1. I have not installed it yet, but after 17.2 I faced some problems while taking calls. Though some issues have been fixed by Apple, such as battery drainage problem and network problem. Now the question arises, should you update your iPhone to the latest version of 17.2.1? This is a vital question because in previous updates we see that a lot of iPhone users suffered from green line issue after their updates, and when they reached the Apple Service Center, Apple did not recognize this problem, and as a result of which customer had to pay at least 30,000 rupees to replace their screens, whether it is iPhone 13, iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max. So if your iPhone is out of warranty, you must be 100% sure whether you want this update badly or not. If your iPhone is already in iOS 17 and you are not facing any kind of issues such as battery drainage or network problem or call receiving problem, you should not update this to the latest version. After 17.2, I have noticed that my iPhone is running smoothly and there is no green line issue with this iPhone 13, and HDR content on this phone is running smoothly, and also camera is performing as it was performing before. So apart from call receiving problem, there is no problem as of now. If you have noticed any bugs in iOS 17.2 apart from call receiving, let me know in the comment sections below. And if you are facing any problems such as battery drainage and network related problems, in that case you might consider this update. So in the conclusion, don't update your iPhone to the latest version unless you badly need it. Hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, hit the like button and share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos.